Welcome back to another awesome episode of Tech Dudes Weekly. I'm your host, Dave. Wanted to talk about kind of I'll say a rumor that's been out there so far. And again, it's around Apple. There's rumor that Apple's going to be putting out a 35 watt power adapter. And again, this is rumor. As you can see on the screen itself, 9 to 5 Mac has a article out about it. Mac Rumors has an article about it, actually with a supposed image of the device as well. But I want to talk about this for the simple fact of there's a lot of conversation around why is Apple doing a 35 watt dual USB-C port power adapter. Few things from what I've seen in the past, Apple has not done a dual port power adapter / charger ever. There's been conversations around it, I think, in the past, but nothing has ever come to light on it. I think the only dual charging device Apple's ever came out with that I'm aware of, again, correct me down in the comments if I'm wrong, was the MagSafe Duo charger, which in my personal opinion, I think it was kind of a flop. Plus the price on it at $129. There were other competitors out there who did better multi-device chargers than Apple on this one. I can't remember what Apple's supposed one was going to be a few years ago. I can't remember the name of it. But to me, this never really did a whole lot for me. But what we're trying to find out, one of the questions we've got around this is why are they doing 35 watts? 35 watts seems to be an arbitrary number with regards to charging. I think at 35 watts, you could do an iPhone 13 Pro Max and an Apple Watch. Well, what's the point of that when I can do it here as well? Because I don't think maybe a 35 watt, I'll have to go back and look again, correct me if I'm wrong, a 35 watt charger won't even charge a MacBook Air of any version that I'm aware of. I'll go back and look and see and correct and post if I need to. But I just don't understand the 35 watt. Maybe this is a preliminary version of what they're trying to do. Maybe they're putting this out there to see what kind of talk and conversations they're having around it. I don't know. The other thing that's kind of funny here, if we look at some of the alleged images that are out there on it, interesting look. Got the thumb holes and the finger pulls on the side. And this is from Charger Lab, because you can see on the image as well. Foldable prongs, which has been kind of the norm across the board for Apple. Again, we got the finger pieces on the side. And then the dual port there. Personally, I like this version, this render, which is, again, just a render, more so than some of the other, what we've seen on some of the other renders in the past. I don't know. This just seems like it's a big, I'll say, miss for me. Again, somebody correct me if I'm wrong on this one, but it's just, I don't understand the 35 watts. And there's reference in here. It says in early March, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, and I just butchered that name. I apologize, tweeted that Apple was working with a 30 watt power adapter with a new design. In a follow-up tweet, Kuo, again, I'm probably butchering that name, has since suggested that the 35 watt power adapter could be the same one that he was alluding to. Kuo said the charger is nearing mass production and would be released at some point in 2022. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It's, to me, 35 watt is arbitrary. Again, this is just my personal opinion on it. I don't know. We'll have to see. Some of the comments down here are interesting. What was talking about here? It's a big compared to the Anchor one. That's so big compared to one Anchor sells, and I don't like how wide it is. Should be a cube. It should be a cube. Well, we'll see. Again, guys and ladies, please let me know what your thoughts on this. This is just a quick video. I did some research and I just cannot figure out why Apple's doing a 35 watt charger. If they are, again, there's been rumors of a 30 watt and a 35. Again, they tried the MagSafe Duo charger. Again, not one of my favorites in my personal opinion. Again, I could be wrong on that, but I like some of the Anchor products better. Let us know down in the comments. Tell us what you think about it. let's get some feedback on this. Tell me what products you guys use. Question for the group. Tell me what products you guys use for some of your chargers, your multi-device chargers, as it will. Again, I use one Apple, actually one Apple charger, and that's it. Everything else is Anker or a Nomad, if I remember correctly, on most of the stuff that I use. So again, let us know down in the comments. Let's strike up a conversation. As always, we appreciate everyone watching, everyone tuning into the channel. There's going to be more videos like this, more shorts and some long form as well. But again, really, we're up to almost 200 subscribers now, and a lot, I think close to 20,000 views across 5 or 6 videos. We're growing really, really fast, in my personal opinion. We can only attribute that to one thing, and that's everybody who watches the channel and supports us at this point. So again, thanks everybody for all the support and all the love that you're giving us. We promise to have more content. Please let us know what you want to see. And I hope everybody has a great day, and see you next time. Thanks.